again for another one of my CVS haul videos. These deals go through the 24th, so it's for August 18th through the 24th, 2019. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification tab so you can be up to date on all the deals that I have going on every week. So let's dive into the deals. It was about $143 of product for about $10 out of pocket. So it was a really, really good deal. I got a really lot of good CRTs from the Care Box, the Red Box Coupon Center. So make sure you guys go in there first thing, scan your card or type in your phone number at that Red Box. See what CRTs you have. They can make for some really hot deals, some freebies, and of course, some money makers. So let's dive into what I got this week. First is Maybelline. I got a blush and then I got the pressed fit powder. So you're gonna pick up one of the pressed powder. They are $8.59. You're going to pick up one of the Fit Me blush. They are $5.99. You're gonna use two of the $2 off one Fit Me products. You're also going to use two of the $3 Maybelline CRTs. The total is gonna wind up being $14.98. After the coupons, it's going to be $4.98. Then you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck, so it's gonna wind up being free for both items. There are some cheaper items you could get because Maybelline is on sale, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So if you wanna get two of the blushes, you could, it would make for a moneymaker. I just really wanted to use the pressed powder. I like to get things that I'm actually gonna be able to use, so that's why I went that route, but there are some cheaper options. So if you wanted to get two of the Fit Me blushes, that would make for a moneymaker. The next deal that I wanna get into is going to be the paparazzi nail polishes. So I got these little guys. I got a yellow because I just thought it was cute, and look, it matches my shirt. And then I got this like glitter silver situation. I thought that would be really cute on like an accent nail. So these are on sale 2 for $5. So you're gonna go ahead and pick up two. They are also on a sale, buy two. Let me find it. Where are you? There, buy two and get a $4 extra buck. So they're on sale 2 for $5. So you're gonna go ahead and pick up two. I also had a $1 off paparazzi product CRT that I got this morning. So I went ahead and applied that. So the out of pocket was $4. I got back $4. So these wound up being absolutely free. So they're definitely good for stocking stuffers or something for Christmas coming up. So I thought that would be a really cute item to put in some gifts for the holidays. The next one I wanted to go ahead and get into is our CoverGirl deal. So similar deals that we're doing pretty much week over week for CoverGirl. So you're gonna get two of these Professional Lash mascaras. This is one of the cheapest items for CoverGirl. That's why we wind up continuing to do this, because CoverGirl is on a sale, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're gonna pick up two of those Professional Lash for $6.69 each. You're going to use two of the $2 off one CoverGirl coupons. And then I had a $2 off CoverGirl CRT that I got today as well. There's also a $1.50 app-only coupon for CoverGirl mascara, so make sure you clip that to your card. Total after all coupons is gonna be $5.88. You're gonna get back a $5 extra buck, so it's gonna wind up being 88 cents for two mascaras. So that's a really great deal there. The next deal I did is going to be on Revlon. Revlon is on sale, spend $12 and get a $4 extra buck. So what I did was I bought two of the eyeshadows. Where are they? There they are. Two of these circle eyeshadows. I've never used them before, but I didn't have these colors in my Rimmel palettes or my Revlon palettes that I got last week and the week prior. So that's why I wanted to pick these up. I got like a really cool metallic-y green, and I think it's like a purple, but I don't know until I put it on. But they look really cute. So they are $7.99 each. So you're gonna pick up two of those. You're gonna use two of the $3 Revlon coupons from the, I believe 8 for retail may not, but double check on that. And then a $4 Revlon CRT that I also got this morning. So the total after the coupons and CRTs is $5.98. You're gonna get back $4 extra bucks. So the final is gonna be $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. So that's a really hot deal. Revlon is a really good product, so I'm really excited about that one. Then I wanted to get into Wet n Wild. So this is the first time I'm purchasing Wet n Wild products, so I don't know how good they are, but they are one of the cheaper varieties of products. You can get things for $1.79, you can get lipstick for $2.99. So you can also get lip pencils and eyeliner for $1.79. So it's one of the cheaper lines. They are spend $10, get a $7 extra buck. So if you have no coupons, no CRTs, right there, it's a really good deal. I had a $3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. So I went ahead and applied that with this one because I really wanted to try some Wet n Wild products. So for Wet n Wild, I went ahead and picked up one of the eyeliner. Oh no, this is a lip liner. One lip liner for $1.79. I went ahead and picked up one of the blushers for $3.19. There are a couple shades, so I thought this one would match me pretty well. But double check whatever shade you'd like. I got the Mega Glow Stick, which is $4.39. And then I went ahead and got a lipstick for $2.99. There's a tons of different varieties, of course, so go ahead and pick whatever works best for you guys. The total is going to wind up being $12.36. I had to hit that $12 mark because of my CRT. It was $3 off 12. So if you don't have that CRT, you can mix and match some different items. That way your total will be closer to $10, so you get more bang for your buck. So after all coupons, it winds up being $10.36. Get back a $7 extra buck, so it wound up being $3.36 for all 4 items. So that's not a bad deal there. I'm excited to give those a try. After Wet n Wild, I wanted to get into our Downy deal. So this, I don't even think it was advertised, but these are typically $5.95. They are already on sale for $2.94. So right there, really good deal. So I went ahead and picked this up. It's the 40 load version, not the 48 load. That one's like $8. So this one is on sale for $2.94 for the 40 load liquid fabric softener. Then on the app, there is a $1 off 1 coupon. So don't forget to send that to your card. Then it winds up only being $1.94. So that's a really hot deal for fabric softener. Downy's a really good brand. Then I went ahead and picked up the Persil. This is also laundry detergent. This is the 40 fluid ounce Persil Pro Clean. I got the Intense Fresh. You can also get their like original scent, but this one smelled good, so I grabbed this one. This one for $4.95. There was a $3 off coupon that you could print from coupons.com. So the final went at being just $1.94 for 40 ounces. So that one's a really good deal right there. The next deal I wanted to get into is the Hallmark Cards. For the Hallmark Cards, they're on sale right now for BOGO. So buy one, get one free. They are $2.99 per card. So again, right there, really good deal for the sale they have going on. I had a $2 off CRT. So you're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 cards at $2.99 each. You're gonna use that $2 CRT. Final cost is gonna be just 98 cents for 2 for both cards. So that's a really good deal right there. The next deal is going to be on Crest. So the Crest scope, last week I believe was only on the 500 milliliter. This is on the big one. This is on the 1 liter Crest scope mouthwash. So they are on sale for $4.79. There is a $1 off 1 coupon in the app that you're gonna go ahead and send to the card. Then I had a $1 off any brand mouthwash CRT from this morning, so I added that as well. So for me, it wound up being a moneymaker. If you don't have that CRT, it's gonna be just 79 cents. So that's a really hot deal in itself. If you do have that $1 off CRT, it's gonna wind up being free plus a 21-cent moneymaker. Then I went ahead and picked up the vitamins. So this is a really good deal. We all know vitamins are very expensive. I got 2, they are on CVS brand vitamins. They are buy one, get one free. So I got the vitamin C, it's 250 milligrams, it's 60 gummies in each. Because it's one of the cheapest items, they are $7.19. So buy one, get one free. I also had a $4 off CVS brand vitamin CRT. So I went ahead and applied that. Total after the coupon for the CRT is gonna be just $3.19 for 2. So that's a really hot deal for vitamins, especially if you have that CRT. If you don't, still a good stock up price for buy one, get one free, makes them all half off. After the vitamins, I went ahead and found, this is an unadvertised deal, it's on Fixodent. So these are the smaller tubes of Fixodent. They are just 75 ounces. They are on sale, buy 2, get a $3 extra back. So it includes these really small versions, so that's really good. So these are $2.89 each. It is a limit of 2 for this deal, so you're gonna go ahead and pick up 4. Total on that after all 4 is gonna wind up being $11.56. Then you're gonna get back $6 in extra care bucks, so the final cost is $5.56 for 4, or just $1.39 each. So I thought that was a really good deal for Fixodent. So then I wound up getting some razors. So I haven't had a razor deal in a week or 2, so I wanted to pick up the Schick Hydra. This is the Hydro Silk 3. It's the cheapest razor they have. Schick is on sale for buy 2, get an $8 extra back. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Hydro Silk 3 razors. They are $8.99 each. I used 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons. 1 I got for the inserts today. 1 is also on the app. So make sure, again, you clip that before you go to the store. Then I used a $3 off $12 razor shave CRT. So after all the coupons, total came to $10.98. You're gonna get back that $8 extra bucks, so it wound up being $2.98 for 2 razors, or just $1.49 each. So that one's a really good deal. The last deal I wanna go over with you is on, again, L'Oreal Elvive. So I had a hair care CRT, so I went ahead and paired this up with some dry shampoo as well, which I'll get into in a minute. So I picked up 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners. They're on sale again, 2 for $8. So your total for all 4, you're gonna pick up 4 of them. So I got 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners. Total for that is going to be $16. Then you're gonna use a $3 off 2 that came in this Sunday's newspaper inserts. And there is another $3 off 2 from coupons.com if you were able to get that printed. So the final is going to be $10. Then I paired it up with the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. Again, this is the smaller bottle that they have. This is 1.6 ounces. So I picked up 2 of these as well. These are on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. So they are $3.29. Second one is gonna be $1.64. Total price on those is $4.93. So when you combine that with the L'Oreal hair care deal, then you apply the $4 off 18 hair care. The total on these is gonna wind up being $2.93 for all 6 items. So that's a really hot deal with that CRT. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I thought I would give it a shot. So those are all the deals that I did this Sunday at CVS. So thanks for tuning in. I will have a printable document listed below as well with all the different rebate apps. Fetch Rewards, again, I use that every time I go to CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, pretty much anywhere. I always scan the receipt, see what kind of points you get back, and again, you can turn those into gift cards. So thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.